today we have a really special video for you guys, and I want to talk to you about meat. Summertime is coming up, babe.
Yes.
And there is a meat company out of, I believe it's Miami, Florida. It's definitely out of Florida, and they will ship anywhere in the United States. They ship on dry ice, they ship the meat frozen, and there's a lot of companies that do that. And a lot of them are very, very expensive and send some very, very high grade Wagyu and above stuff. But sometimes you don't have that kind of fundage.
Yeah.
And you just want a very good quality piece of meat that perhaps you can't get at your local supermarket, that perhaps you can't get at your local butcher. So that's what we did today. This video is not sponsored in any way. We paid for these products ourselves. We just happen to like the company. They're a good company. We've ordered from them a couple different times. And once I DM'd them on Instagram, their Instagram looks like this. And they said, hey, if your audience uses Cop and Babe, we'll give them a discount. We don't get any money for it or anything like that, but you guys could try them out and get a discount. So let me show you, babe. Let me show you what we're barbecuing today. We're doing a little barbecue. We're gonna be outside on the Weber Kettle on the world's smallest patio.
Yep.
We're gonna be using Jealous Devil charcoal, and we're gonna be cooking two different things. So the first is a picanha. Let me see if I can get it. The company is called Meat and Bone. So this is a picanha, the queen of all steaks. Put some salt on it, let it hang out for a while, do a reverse sear, cook it like you would cook like a ribeye or a tri-tip or something like that. Reverse sear it up to like 115, 120, sear it, cut it. It's amazing. The queen of all steaks. We love it.
Love it.
Love it.
So much flavor.
Next, what we got from Meat and Bone. Meat and Bone, the hanger steak. Very small, but again, their prices are fantastic. You're not buying some outlandishly wild priced meat. Right. And they ship very quickly to your home.
And it's great.
And you get the discount code with us now, which is cool that they're doing that. Shout out Meat and Bone. Hey, you guys, we need to work together. So it's a hanger steak, sometimes called the butcher's cut, right, babe?
Right.
So, and it's supposed to be like the tenderness of a filet mignon or a beef tenderloin, a Chateaubriand. But it tastes like a ribeye. Ultra tender, maximum flavor. Bring it to like a medium rare, slice it up and have a couple good bites. And
little bites.
And we'll do it.
Yeah.
So that's what we're cooking today. We're doing a picanha. We're doing a hanger steak, both from Meat and Bone. And here we go. Okay, so I got the picanha out of the vacuum seal, and this is exactly how it came out. Now, really, there's really only minimal trimming. The Meat and Bone butcher did a fantastic job. Picanha is supposed to have this fat cap on it. Some of that fat renders into this meat, and it makes this meat like literally, it's amazing. It's really an amazing flavor. And the reason why we ordered this originally online was because in California, it's very, very difficult to get picanha. So I'm just trying to take off a little bit of this silver skin with this little Dow Strong fillet knife that I have, which is ultra sharp. Kosher salt. I'm gonna leave it uncovered in a rack in my refrigerator for, I don't know, 6 hours or so. I want that salt to penetrate the meat. I want some of it to kind of reverse osmosis that moisture out, and it just makes this even more tender. Now this is a choice picanha, so this is gonna be kind of an experiment. But for the price point, and for how nice Meat and Bone has been, and with their little discount code that they gave us, I don't know, I think it's definitely worth a gander. I'm probably literally just gonna leave it like that. You can see that side, pretty clean, pretty nice marbling for choice. Really not too shabby. And you got the fat cap side. I'm gonna score the fat cap a little bit, just because I've done that on picanhas before, and I think I like how it works because the salt penetrates in there a little bit more. So I'll score that fat cap a little bit. And yeah, it's a very, very good little treat. If you guys can pick one up, have one shipped to your house, you will not be disappointed. So this thing's ready to get salted up. And now let's work on our hanger steak. Now look at this little baby. Can you see it, babe?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Look at it.
It's a little baby.
It's a little baby. Little baby hanger steak. It almost looks like a beef tenderloin. I mean, I really don't even want to do anything to it. It has that one little piece of fat, but it's not really silver skin. It's just little fat that will probably render down. Really, the marbling's really nice. I'm just going to salt this up too. This is going to cook in like 2 seconds. It came with some cuts in it from them. Not me. I didn't do that. But I'm really excited just to have the flavor and the tenderness of this. I think that it's going to be really, really good. I've never tried a hanger steak before. They say it's the butcher's cut. So I'm excited. And literally, this was super inexpensive. I was checking out on their website, and I was like, no, I'll give that a try. It's cheap. And yeah, so we'll do that. So we got our picanha. We got our little hanger steak. We're going to salt both of them up. And we're going to have like just a good little protein dinner tonight.
This is Josh's famous salt that he uses, the people's salt.
I love that salt.
He loves
Kosher salt.
The people's salt. Okay,
Yeah.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's put it in.
Let's take a look-see poo. All salted up. Looks fantastic. I don't know. Look at that little hanger steak, babe.
It looks really delicious.
That's a little appetizer.
It looks very tender.
Okay. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator uncovered. I don't know, 6 hours, 8 hours. Just let that salt penetrate. Classic Brazilian picanha doesn't have anything but salt on it. I don't know if you want to add any other type of rubs on it. I like it just salt.
I think that's all we've ever done is salt.
All right, we'll see you back in a while. I feel like this is the appropriate time in the middle of the video that we could roll our top tier channel members. Thank you to all of our channel members, regardless of the tier you're in. But to the top tier channel members, thank you guys so much. You make Babe's and my little YouTube hobby possible, so we appreciate you so much. Anyways, let's go. Let's talk about how we set it up. Bottom vent. Pencil width. Okay, put the drip and griddle. That's from the last cook. That's gross. But whatever, we'll put it in. All right, so we'll put this in. Slow and sear with the water trough. Okay, so you know we got the bottom vent open a pencil width. We got the drip and griddle. We have the Jealous Devil Max charcoal. This is what is left over from last time. So you gotta, look at this. Is the blue bag that size? No, it's not, of course. And it burns hotter, it burns longer, it burns faster. Jealous Devil's amazing. Okay, so this is kind of how I have my kettle set up. Now lately, I've been lazy, okay? So I'll move this over here, and I'll put a little Weber wax cube right here, and I'll light it, okay? And I'll put a little piece of Jealous Devil Max over that, and that, and that. We'll just make a little fun fire over that. And I'm going to put some new Max right here over that, but it's only going to light this side. So once I see that catches, I'm going to put the lid on, and the picanha is going to go right here over the drip and griddle. The hanger steak is going to go here, but for you saw how small it was. Very small amount of time. We're going to sear it off over there. We're going to cut that up, have a little snacky snack, and then the picanha, we're going to do the same thing. Like after 6 hours, you can see the color difference. You can see the salt penetrated, everything like that. The hanger steak, the picanha, it's going to be epic. So we're just going to leave this out in the sink for a couple minutes as the grill gets up to temperature. The pit's running at like 250, 275. We're rolling in direct, like I said. Coals are over here. That's over here. And yeah, we're just going to render down that fat into the picanha. Okay, it's been 28 minutes. Let's check this right here. Let's check this. All right. Got a 130. Oh, this be done. That was so small. I knew that was going to be done soon. That's getting close to sear time. Getting close. Yeah. All right, so we're getting there. I'm going to pull that off right now and slice it up. It's going to be amazing. Let's see. Hanger steak versus picanha. Okay, so this is the hanger steak. I just did a quick little dice of it. The picanha is still working, but I just wanted to show you this. They're super juicy. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see how it goes. But you know what time it is? What? It hit 115. It's time to sear. Woo!
Okay, so I'm back, and here we are with the final product. That's the word I'm trying to come up with. Okay, our picanha is perfect. The little baby hanger steak is delicious. We're eating on paper plates because we have all of our children.
I don't know which is which, so I gotta taste it from there.
Oh, yes.
And it's very yummy.
What did you think?
Oh, it's amazing.
It's really good.
I mean, you ate almost all of yours, Penelope, so...
Mom, I'm not a huge meat fan and mine's almost gone.
You're not a meat fan and it's almost gone.
And I just opened my water bottle.
Okay, everybody. Well, thank you for watching. Josh is on the phone on a very important phone call. So we will see you on the next one.
To say.
What?
Okay.
What?
Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, do a notification, and subscribe again.
There you go, everybody.
Oh, and like.
And like.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.